It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shop.
And guys, we're heading to our next location. Kami sa... Saan tayo?
Sigal! Tayo ngayon,
We are in
Alice Kitchen.
Alice Kitchen. We have our lunch and then we're going to...
We have bulalo and
Yeah.
chop suey, yummy and sikwati.
Hi! Sigal guys!
So, ayan na. Nakarating na kami. So, we need to wear our face mask. Okay lang kahit walang face shield. Yan. Native pa yung face mask. We're done! Yan. Tapos na kami nag-fill up lang.
Welcome to Sigal.
We're going
to the mountains.
Up, up. So let's... Yeah, mag-picture ta. Go! Nalipong ko. May picture ka dyan, Sinalon. Sige. Sige, 1, 2. Yan, parang bahay mo. And mag-picture-picture tayo habang sila naghahanap ng CR.
Hindi mo mag-picture?
Gulo-gulo!
Hello! Na ano na?
Oh, nalula ka po
Nalula
na.
na ha sa magpag-picture.
Sobrang dami ng pwede. Ano kaya ginagawa mo?
May CCTV.
Ano ka dyan?
Picture.
Ano ba picture ka wala dyan? Sige, sige. Picture tayo. Lakad pa more. Kailangan mag-grab ng maraming puro. Okay.
Asan naman nga po atin na nun?
Hello! Hello, hello, hello. So hot, but so cold. So hot, yet so cold. Yeah. Many pine trees. Hi guys. So nice. The place is so nice. It's hot, but yet so cold because of the wind. It's blowing.
Anong masasabi mo, Tinalan? Hindi ba yun sila nag-check? Wala mang nagabantay. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, bye-bye. Let's go, sisters. Let's go down. down there. Be careful. The mountains are blue. And the trees are green. The mountains are black. Look at that. Are now stepping and stepping. Hey, Ante, what are you doing?
I'm walking
Like a pro. Yeah, the sun is so hot, but the wind was so cold. Kagaya ng kanyang pagmamahal. Gulo-gulo! But...
Natuto kong sumayaw konti.
Gulo-gulo! Nagdakal di ubot na! Gulo-gulo!
Asa ka ato? Sa Mountain Spring.
Mountain Spring?
Kung magsakay ta ani, talon ta sa Mountain Spring, Spring Mountain.
See ya! Sa spring? Mag-swimming daw sila sa spring. Kulba ni siya. Mga kuan.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hadlok ni siya. So, kailangan daw maghawa. Ulit ka.
Not so scary.
That's scary.
Sa mga pagod. Thank you for watching!